Hello and welcome back to another AutoCAD Pro Command tutorial series. Today we are going to cover an AutoCAD command which allows us to use Smart Selection to select objects by specific requirements in order to be included in the window selection. This command allows us to speed up our workflow, lessen our effort, and go from regular to professional CAD user. Without further ado, let's dive in. So, in this very crowded CAD drawing file, I want to select anything that has this bright red color regardless of what type our object is. For that purpose, we go all the way down to the command line and we type the command filter. Hit enter and this window here pops up. The first time when you open the object selection filter, it actually appears like this. Here in select filter, we are allowed to set requirements that objects has to meet. For example, to choose arcs by specific radius to be selected in the window selection. For our first example, I want to go with color. Click on it, and here on select click, we are allowed to choose which color we are searching for. I want to go with this bright red color which has the index color 1. Click on it, hit OK, or we can also type the color code here. Don't forget to hit add to list. Click on that. Now we have our first object selection filter, color equal to 1, which is a bright red. Hit apply and go all over the whole drawing with our selection window, and as you see, everything that had the bright red color is included in our selection. To make it more clear, hit enter and type the command move. Enter, move out, and as you see, with the filter command, we were able to select anything that had the bright red color. To explain things a little bit more, this line is continuous and has a different thickness from this line and different properties. This is a dashed line, this is a continuous line. And even we have some text. We were able to select all of it only by deciding we want everything that's on this bright red color which has the index color 1. Before I go to our second example, and to make things a little bit more advanced, if you so far enjoy our tutorial, please consider supporting us by subscribing to our channel. So let's go to our second example. Allow me to do Ctrl Z to go back. Here I have my axis lines as blocks, and I named them as axis. Here in the properties panel in MISC name, you can see I named it as axis. So I want to create a selection filter to select any block that has the name axis, no matter where it's located in my CAD drawing. Again, we go to the command line and we type again the command filter. Hit enter. Let us delete or clear list or delete, no different, to clear our previous selection filter. Go to select filter and find block name, block name. Click on it and here select which block name we are actually searching for. Or more simply, I know I'm searching for the block name axis. Don't forget to hit add to list. Now we have select our selection filter to block name axis, object which are blocks. So hit apply and go over our CAD drawing. And as you see, all of the blocks which were named axis repeated in all of my floor plans are selected. Hit enter. To make it more visible, allow me to use the command move. And as you see, all my blocks named as axis were selected. That was it for our today's tutorial. Please consider hitting the notification button in order not to miss our upcoming tutorials. Thank you very much for watching. See you soon. Goodbye.